Hello, chess friends and chess lovers. Welcome to Sarmilan Chess. In today's video, I am going to give you another interesting chess game, Scandinavian Defense Part 7 video. If you are watching this channel for the first time, please subscribe and press the bell icon. I am going to give you three different best and amazing chess raps in Scandinavian defense. Okay, let's go to the rap number 1 in Scandinavian defense. If you are watching this channel for the first time, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Okay, now let's go to the rap number 1 in Scandinavian defense. Okay, now we will see the rap number 1 in Scandinavian Defense Part 7 video. Let's go to the moves. In 9 moves, white wins by checkmate. How to white won the game in 9 moves? I am going to explain and analyze deeply and smartly. Please watch until finish this video. The last rap is very important. Let's go to the rap number 1. First one is E4. This is called King's Pawn opening. Then white played D5. This is called Scandinavian defense. Then D4. White pushed his pawn to D4. Then D cross E4. Black pawn cut the white pawn. In this case, white decided to push his knight to C3 and attack the black pawn by the white knight. Then black knight come to F6 and defend the pawn, then F3, then E cross F3. Okay, now queen cross F3 and queen cross D4. We will see how to handle this much white. Now white decided to push his bishop to E3. Okay, now this bishop attack the queen. That's why queen go to B4. Attack the pawn by the black queen. Now the 7th move of white decided to make a beautiful castling. We will see how to handle this much black. Now black, here is a pin. You can see here there is a pin. Now this bishop pin the queen and rook. Okay, in this case the 8th move of white chain, white decided to push his knight to here on B3. This is brilliant move of white. Okay, now the 8th move of black cut the queen by the bishop. Then the 9th move of knight make a beautiful checkmate with knight cross C7. That's it. In this case, white wins by checkmate in 9 moves now. Okay, we can go to the rap number 2 in Scandinavian Defense Part 7 video. Let's go to the rap number 2. Okay, hello everyone, this is rap number 2 in Scandinavian Defense Part 7 video. In this particular chess game, black win easily this much. You can see how to black won the game. I am going to explain and analyze deeply and smartly. Let's go to the moves. First move is E4, D5, then E cross D5. Okay, we will see how to handle this much black. Now black decided to cut the pawn by the queen. Then white played knight F3. So knight come to C3 and attack the queen by the white knight. Then queen go to F5. Then knight come to F3 and we will see bishop go to there in G4 and pin the knight. Okay, the 5th move of white push his pawn to D4. Then knight go to F6 and we will see how to handle this much white. White bishop go to G5 and brilliant move make white bishop. Okay, the sixth move of black. Black knight got to b d7, then bishop got to b5. Okay. Now we will see how to handle this match black. Now black pushed his pawn to c6. Okay, now you can see here is so many attacks here. You can see how to white won the game. I am going to teach you now how to white won the game. Okay, now the eighth move of bishop go to there in back to c4. That's why this game easily win black. Now black take the bishop. No, black take the knight. Why the black light square bishop cut the knight and queen cross f3, then queen cross g5. Now black has a bishop up. Okay, that's why this game easily win black. Okay, now black has a powerful attack and wins material. Okay, in this particular game black win easily in this game. Okay, because black has so many pieces. Okay, let's go to the wrap number 3 in Scandinavian Defense. Okay, hello everyone, welcome to Sermon Chess. This is wrap number 3 in Scandinavian Defense part 7 video. This wrap for black, how to black won the game. I am going to explain and analyze deeply and smartly. Please watch until finish this video. Okay, let's go to the moves. First move is e4 d5. This is called Scandinavian Defense. Then pawn take the phone, then queen take the phone, then queen come to f3, then queen go to f5, then knight c3, then knight f6. Okay, then pawn go to d4, then c6, then bishop come to d2. In this case, black bishop go to g4 and attack the queen. Why the white to black bishop light square bishop, then queen go to g3, then black pawn go to e6, then knight go to b5. This is the big blunder he made. That's why this game is to win black. You can see how to black won the game. Now cut the bishop. Why the queen cross e2 check. Okay, now you can see how to black won the game. If king take the queen, then beautiful fork with knight. Knight go to e4 and beautiful check and fork. If king move, then wrap the queen by the knight, then pawn take the knight, then c cross b5, pawn take the knight, then bishop cross b5 and beautiful check and knight go to c6. This particular chess game, black has 6.2 advantage. White king is misplaced right now. White has double pawns and black has a bishop up. Okay, easily won the game black. You can see how to black won the game. I showed you already. Now black has a powerful attack and wins material. That's why this game easily win black. Okay, this game ended right now. If you are watching this channel for the first time, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Okay, thank you. Bye bye. God bless everyone. Thank you.